Hi y'all, just doing a real quick video. I figured I was making dinner and I wanted to give some ideas of what you can make for quick dinner. Well, it's not a quick dinner, but what we're having for dinner. And what's nice about it is this is a 7-pound ham. So what's nice about it is it's not going to just be dinner. This is going to be like maybe four different, maybe even 5 different type of meals that I'll make with it. So anyway, what I did was I had a little bit of cherries, maraschino cherries, and then I also had a pineapple, and you see they're whole slices. And what I did was, when I opened up the can, I saved half of it right here so I can be able to do another ham, because I have ham in my freezers. And then we'll have, you know, a couple of hams. And then I saved the juice so that I can be able to make Hawaiian bread. And this is roughly around 1 cup of liquid. So what I did was I just put some of the juice down below. I had some crushed ones, so I used half a can of crushed and I just put it down below. I mixed up I made my own brown sugar, and I sprayed brown sugar at the bottom and put a little bit of the juice from the maraschino cherries, put that toward the bottom, and then after that, then I just spread, and I didn't measure, so there's no measurements with it, but I just sprinkled sugar over it, and then I posted, and these right here are actually toothpicks. For the ham, for this part right here, I just cut the toothpicks in half to put it through the pineapples, and for the maraschino cherries, I put a whole toothpick in. But I saved it. Instead of putting it all over it, I need to save it because I don't know when we're going to be getting out, and I wanted to make sure I, you know, conserve. So anyway, and then after I got done putting it on here, then I went ahead and put the brown sugar on. But anyway, this is what we're going to be having. I'll let you see what it looks like. It's going to have to cook for 1 hour and 45 minutes at 325, and then maybe I'll someone cut the lights off on me. I'll go ahead and let you guys see what it looks like. So anyway, this is what we'll be having. I'm just going to serve with some rice, and I haven't figured out what vegetable we'll have with it. So anyway, just giving ideas and bringing you in when I make stuff. When I try to remember, I just, you know, bring you along. Sorry I didn't let you see me putting it all together, but this is basically it. So we got ham, pineapples, and maraschino cherries, and brown sugar, basically. And that's what it is. And if you're missing any of it, even if you don't have any ham or the brown sugar, just throw the ham in. 325 and just let it cook. It's 15 pounds per, is that right? No, it's for every pound, do 15 minutes. So anyway, this is just what I came up with. We'll see how it goes. Just wanted you guys to see the difference. That ham is just done. This ham to the right is what I did with it afterwards. I went ahead and glazed it, put some cornstarch in it on the juice and stuff. I glazed it, and this is what it looks like. Super duper yummy. And I took a picture of it plated, but this is the ham.